Hi friends, welcome to Tech Channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to insert or type any symbol or icon using text suggestion in MS Word. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you have to go settings, then click on time and language, click on typing. Here you enable show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard. Enable this option, then enable text suggestion also. Then close this window, open your Word document. First of all you need to select CGUI UI symbol. If you want banana symbol or icon, then type here banana. You can see here banana, click here. You can see here banana symbol has been inserted. If you want apple symbol, then type here apple. Click on apple. If you want home, bus, if you want change color or increase size, select this one. Select here any one color, for example blue. If you want increase size, then type here which one you want. Symbols or icons using text suggestion in MS Word. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.